Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the CSIR UGC NET GRF UGC NET questions from the June 2018 paper. We'll be solving the set C of the question paper. Let's start off with question number 38. In question number 38 we have been said that we need to consider the mapping phi which goes from C minus the set 1 to C and is given by phi of z is equal to 1 plus z upon 1 minus z. Then we need to find out that which of the following is true. Option 1, phi is such that z belongs to C and mod of z is less than 1, and it is a subset of z which belongs to C such that mod of z is less than 1. Option 2 is that phi of z which belongs to C and the real part of z is less than 0, that is a subset of z which belongs to C and the real part of z is less than 0. Option 3 is phi is onto, and option 4 is that phi of C except the set 1 is equal to C except the set of minus 1. So let's start off with the question. Now we've been given that phi of z is equal to 1 plus z by 1 minus z. So we'll take some value from this very set. For option 1 and 2 we'll take the values of z which satisfy these very equations, these very conditions, and we'll try to find out whether phi of that z is a subset of the set of elements from which z has been taken. So let's start off. So for option 1 we've been given that z belongs to C such that mod of z is less than 1. So that implies that we can take z is equal to, we can take 0, say. So now let us find out phi of 0. So therefore phi of 0 will be equal to 1 plus 0 by 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1, and this 1 does not belong to the set where z belongs to C such that mod of z is less than 1. Here mod of z is equal to, here phi of this value is greater than 1, not greater than 1 actually. The mod of this value is equal to 1, so this is not less than 1. That is what I'm trying to say. So therefore we can say that option 1 is incorrect. The value which you're getting after putting a value of z from the set, this very set, does not fall in the very set from which the value of z has been taken, so option 1 is incorrect. Similar thing we'll try to do for option 2. Now for option 2 again we have been given that we need to find the value of z which belongs to C such that the real part of z is less than 0. So we can take z is equal to minus 1, say. So now let us find out phi of minus 1. Now phi of minus 1 is equal to 1 plus minus 1, 1 minus of minus 1. So this will be 0, this will be 0 by 2, which is equal to 0, and this very value of 0 does not belong to the set z which belongs to C and is such that real part of z is less than 0. Here the real part of phi of minus 1 is equal to 0 as you are getting. So therefore option 2 is also incorrect. Now let's shift our focus to option 3. Now for option 3 we have been given that phi of z is equal to 1 plus z upon 1 minus z. Now if we take this phi of z is equal to w, say, so that will imply that z is equal to w minus 1 by w plus 1. Now if w is equal to minus 1, then z is undefined. Z is undefined. Basically the Z will become infinity. which is not possible. So therefore W cannot take the value minus 1. So therefore we can say that phi of z is not onto. Now let's shift our focus to option 4. Now for option 4, we have seen that upon taking any value of z, the image cannot be minus 1. So basically if we take any value of z, the image cannot be minus 1. In that case phi of z will become undefined. So therefore we can say that phi of z is basically what we can say, the phi of z is, where phi of z it has been given that if C takes all values except the value 1, in that case phi of z will be basically all the values except the set of value minus 1, and this is the option 4, and therefore option 4 is correct. So today we have solved question number 38 from set C of CSIR UGC NET June 2020 paper. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Software's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.